Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me again. Today I'll be showcasing a beautiful one-level home that's got coastal and tropical vibes. So let's step right in. So here we go. Already I feel like it's really bright and airy. I love what they've done here with this divider because you can just peek through all the way down the end there, but you just don't know what's around the corner. All right, so let's step right in. Beautiful floorboards. I love the color. It already sets the scene for a bit of tropical coastal vibe. And then it's open plan living. As you can see, it's very spacious. Gorgeous, huge window just on our right hand side. That's basically what's letting all the natural light come into this gorgeous home. And then sneak peek at the kitchen over here. On our right hand side, we've got the living area, which goes straight outside into the pool area as well. Now, let's go ahead and actually take a peek at some of the bedrooms. So we'll go through here. If you did want to have more of a private living room, so a TV area, essentially, this is it here, which is great. It's separate room also for the kids as well. If they want to watch TV and you're entertaining, this will be a great spot. Let's keep going. Now on our left hand side, we've got some storage space, which is very important in a home. We can never have enough storage, I say. And then now I think across here we've got, oh, that's a sneak peek at the bathroom because we're just entering the master bedroom. But what I'll do is I'll walk through here because this is your walk-in wardrobe. So lots of space. You've got a his and hers side, or as I always say, a hers. And across here, you've got your ensuite. Funky tiles, love them. You've got a his and hers sink. And then what we saw before was the toilet through here. It is separate, so you can definitely close the sliding door across there. And also you've got a door just here. So fantastic. Now let's head back into the main ensuite. And ta-da! Oh my god, look at this wallpaper. How fun is it? I love that wallpaper is coming back in. It can really transform, like completely transform a bedroom. Just gives it something a little bit extra special. And here I really love the warm tones and the olive greens that they've used. Beautiful. Now let's keep going and explore more of this gorgeous home. On the left hand side, this door here is actually where the garage is, so you can walk straight through here as well. And then look at this. I love it. I personally love open plan living because especially these days when you're entertaining or you're cooking away in your kitchen, everyone is in the same area, so you don't feel separated. Now let's go and take a closer look at the kitchen, shall we? So lovely kitchen island here. You've got the fridge on your left hand side, and then on across here on the right you've got the pantry. So it is separate, which is great. Same fun tiles, if you notice, as the ensuite, as your backsplash. You got a decent size island. Integrated dishwasher as well, just underneath the sink. And then look at this. I love how the kitchen bench curves around across here. So you've got extra use of bench space, which is always important. Love it. And then across here, you've got your laundry. Decent sized laundry. I like how you've got the sliding doors which open into the outdoors, so it's easy to, you know, walk straight out and hang your washing. You can close this door, of course. Let's keep going. I'm excited actually to see how the kids' bedrooms have been styled. So here we go. Oh my God, straight away, look how fun this area is. Okay, so you've got like a separate little nook, I suppose, or entertaining area. You've got another TV, so you can put a couch, like a bigger couch in this space if you want. And then across here, you've got your outdoor area. I just love that little study nook through there. And then here you've got your guest bathroom. So you've got the toilet and the bathroom separate. So you've got a shower and also a bathtub. Same use of tiles. So I love how they've carried obviously the same theme throughout the home. And this is guest bedroom. Again, it's decorated with your warm tone. So here you've got a little bit of mustard, a little bit of blue. Let's keep going. Now, if you've got any questions, guys, make sure you leave it in the comments and I'll try my best to answer your questions. And then we'll come back out here. I mean, how fun is this study area that they've done here with the rainbow? I love it. And then here are the kids' bedrooms. So this is a girl's been decorated as a girl's bedroom. Love it. Quite simple. I love the funky wallpaper that they've used. Gorgeous. And as you can see, they've actually carried the wallpaper all the way around there, around the window. And then now we'll go and see the last bedroom of this house. And how gorgeous is this? So this is a little boy's bedroom. Or girls, to be honest. It's a neutral color. So it's gorgeous. Lovely wallpaper as well. This one is carried through. And then you've got the blue feature wall just here. So much fun. I do love the layout of this house. It's great because it's not overly big, but still perfect for that indoor, outdoor lifestyle. Then you've got a little garden out here. And then you've also got a lovely pool, which I don't know if you can see. I'm going to see. I'll turn around slowly, but it kind of wraps around this corner here. And then you can see it from that really lovely large window that's inside. My goodness, guys, thank you so much for watching. Now, my main page is actually on Instagram, so you can watch all my IGTV tours on there. It's at Coastal Hampton Style. So I hope you can join me there as well. And thank you so much.